What's up, Riders Nation? In today's video, we're going to install a Clockworks windscreen on the Tigris, the 2020 Streetglide Special. So let's cue the intro and get to it. The Riderz Nation YouTube channel is brought to you in part by the Bike Experience USA, a 501c3 nonprofit organization committed to helping disabled riders get back on motorcycles in a safe, controlled setting. If this is your first time at the Riderz Nation YouTube channel, thanks for checking us out. If you're returning, thanks for checking us out again. So today we're going to do a install of a Clockworks windscreen on the 2020 Streetglide Special. Now, I love the windscreen on this motorcycle. It came with the motorcycle when I bought it. I never expected to replace this windscreen. When I bought this motorcycle, I loved the Harley-Davidson stock seat. I loved it. Unfortunately, it didn't love me. I found that I sat deep into the motorcycle, which was great. It was comfortable for about 30-45 minutes. After 30 or 45 minutes, my knees started to hurt a little bit. And then when I got off the motorcycle, my hips were killing me. So what I did was I went out and I got me a Saddleman road sofa. It really helped out the ride. It sat me up a little more, seemed like the angle made all the difference. My knees were better, my hips were definitely better, my tailbone was better. The problem is it lifted me up about an inch. I get wind buffering on my helmet. So what I did was, this is a 4-inch Harley-Davidson low profile windscreen. I went out and I got the Clockworks 5.5 inch. This is the Dark Smoke Clockworks 5.5 inch windscreen. So we're going to install this on the 2020 Streetglide Special. And the reason why I went with Clockworks is because I read the reviews. Supposedly, with the way this is designed, it actually helps with stability. So I wanted to see if that was true or not. So we're going to install this and we're going to take the Tigris out and we're going to see if it makes any difference with stability. And because in these, they're angled like this, supposedly shorter, smaller windscreen will take more wind off of you with the Clockworks windscreen. So we're going to find out today. I know I seem to say this in every install, but this is a super easy install. We need one tool, a Torx 25 bit. We have 3 screws right here we're going to take off. So we took the old windscreen off. Simple, easy. Just so you're aware, this should be obvious. But at least with mine, there's 3 bolts. 2 short, 1 long. The long one goes in the middle. Once you take the old windscreen off, it slides right up. And the new windscreen slides right in. If you like this video, please do us a favor. Hit the subscribe button and hit the like button and leave us some comments. It really helps the channel out. We have very big plans for the channel. We want to do lots of things, but it all starts with you by hitting that subscribe button, giving us some likes, and giving us some comments so we know we're doing good things that you are watching. Thank you all, and let's get back to the video. And that's it. You talk about a quick, easy, simple install. If you guys are doing this at home on your own and you're new to motorcycles or you're not a normal wrencher, these 3 bolts, don't over tighten them. If you do, you'll put stress on the windscreen and it will crack. So hand tight is all you need. And that is it. So I think it looks good. I like it. Now we're going to find out if it actually helps stability or not. I mean, I guess it really doesn't matter if it doesn't. I still like it. I still needed it. As long as it stops the wind from hitting me in the helmet, I'm good with it. I bought this off of Amazon. The reason why I bought it off Amazon is because I got a 30-day return policy. It is from Clockworks. I'll put a link to Amazon below. I saved about $30 by getting it from Amazon. So I'll leave that link below if you guys are interested. Let's get on her and see how she feels with the new windscreen. I took the Tigress out for a test ride with the new Clockworks windscreen. And of course, you guys should be getting used to this. Of course, my wireless mic setup didn't work again. So I got to voice over this video. So good things. 5.5-inch screen, took almost all the wind off my helmet, so that worked out really well. I like the way it looks. That always helps. As far as stability, I didn't take it out on the highway. I didn't have a lot of time. I don't think I got above 40-45 miles an hour. I didn't really feel any difference in stability at all. I guess that'll have to wait till I get out on the highway and get to 60, 70, 80 miles an hour and see if that changes anything. All in all, Clockworks windscreen, 5.5-inch dark smoke, roughly $185 from Amazon. Delivered, I thought is a great buy. I didn't want black. I didn't want just smoke. I thought the dark smoke was perfect. I didn't want a really high windscreen. 5.5 inches again, turned out to be perfect. I like it. I like the look of it, and it's just high enough to get the wind off of my helmet. So all in all, I'm a happy guy when it comes to my Clockworks windscreen. Now, if I could just get my wireless mic set up to work with my comm unit in my helmet, I'd be a really happy guy. All right, guys, that's going to do it for me today. As always, stay safe, live the dream.